Oilfield Instrumentation India Private Limited is part of highly diversified Netrwala group of companies. 17th March, company went under lockdown as per government directives due to coronavirus across the country, and the employees started working from home. Our employees were still working at various projects at domestic and international locations, at offshore and onshore. Standard operating procedures for work resumption under lockdown condition were formulated and approved by a director and CEO. Received permission for commissioning of factory under lockdown condition by Government of Maharashtra, Department of Industries, Energy and Labour, as we comply to the national directives for COVID-19 management and the SOPs. 6th May 2020. OFI started operating the factory with minimum employees. Measures undertaken as per SOPs are: disinfection of the premises has been conducted by an external agency. Entry of all the employees after compulsory hand washing with soap and water provided at the main entrance. Declaration form to be filled up by all the employees. Compulsory thermal screening of all employees entering and exiting the workplace. Sufficient quantities of hand wash and sanitizers are provided at all entry and exit points and common areas for employees to disinfect themselves. Social distancing protocol in place. Compulsory wearing of face masks. Sodium hypochlorite solutions are used for daily sanitization process in the premises. Medical insurance of all the employees are insured. Specific isolation rooms, designated areas with closable doors and emergency communication plans in place. Spitting in the premises are strictly prohibited. Entry of non-essential visitors are not permitted. List of all nearby hospitals, clinics and important contact numbers authorized to treat COVID-19 patients made available at the main gate. At OFI, we encourage the following to work from home: persons above 65 years of age, persons with comorbidities, parents of children below the age of 5 years. We do not allow anyone found suffering from fever and cough with breathing problems. Sanitization of vehicles. Use of Arogya Setu app is encouraged for all employees. No employees with containment zone will be permitted to commute to the workplace. Our director and CEO, Mr. A.J. Disa, has addressed all employees on behalf of Chairman and entire Board of Directors, Netrwala Group of Companies. He conveys his message as follows. The COVID-19 outbreak situation has intensified further, and we are dealing with a significant global challenge. Since inception, we have seen and mastered many challenging moments. I'm convinced that we will overcome this one too. Your support and positive actions to get things under normalcy is expected and appreciated. Social distancing at workplace and wherever you are should be strictly adhered to. This is the moment for extra effort, for going the extra mile. I'm sure with your support, as in the past, we would definitely get back to normalcy at the earliest. Now is the time to join hands and work together for a safe and secure future for all. Wish you and your family the very best in tiding over this difficult period. Thank you.